Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. I have to say with Polygon, it's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky because it is really fighting any sell-off. However, at the moment in the short term, I'm still primarily watching for another low until the chart has proven that a trend change is happening, and it can only do that by giving us 5 waves up. 3 might now be complete. This could be a 4 and a 5 and 3 waves down. So if we have that, we can call it a 1-2 setup. If I get 5 waves up, I will add a support area for a wave 2 pullback for anybody who's looking for very early long positions. Yeah, then that can happen. Okay, but then we have a confirmation that a low is in place. At the moment, it's too early. At the moment, we only have 3 waves up, and it could simply be a B wave. Even with 5 waves up, it can just be a B wave top that is going to break down, right? So 3 waves up can break down, 5 waves up can break down because context is important. This could just be an A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. So if the B wave to the upside is playing out, this would be a 3-3-5 pattern. So 5 waves up alone will not give us enough clarity to say the low is in. It would simply be a guess, and it doesn't matter because when we have 5 waves up, we're normally looking for a high reward, low risk entry point, and that would normally come after a 3-wave pullback. After 5 waves up, we normally get a corrective pullback, and that would normally take out in 3 waves. So that's what we're watching for. It's, however, in addition to that, in addition to MATIC's failure to produce 5 waves so far, it hasn't broken above the descending trend line. It tried to, and you see the buying interest is coming back, certainly slowly. It's not enough though to say the low is in. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. There's also a little bit of selling pressure today with Bitcoin selling off. Maybe Bitcoin is now starting to slide, and that would most likely affect MATIC as well. So all of that is still for me pointing towards another low, possibly in the 41 to 46.5 cent area basically. 50 cents is a key support level. That's the golden ratio. But either way, somewhere here. So I don't want it to go below 41 cents because any sustained break below that will challenge the larger degree bullish scenario. But I don't necessarily expect it to do it. It's still quite a bit of a distance, yeah, but obviously it can, right? So from where we are now, the price would need to break down another 25%. Nothing unrealistic in crypto. Could certainly happen if Bitcoin does another, I don't know, another 10, 15%. Well, it might just land there or thereabouts, okay? Yeah, so at the moment, MATIC is possibly forming a 4th wave. That would be the bullish interpretation. It doesn't need it, though. It doesn't need it. I mean, again, my point is it can go lower. It should go lower until we see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. So it can always top up there after 5 waves, break down then. It can break down earlier, then it would be a WXY structure which formed with a move down. So any new low would be in line with our main thesis primary scenario. However, if it turns around basically now here somewhere, it can still give us a 5th wave to the upside. Not like that, more like that. So, and support for the wave 4, I mean, we've now already got a break into the wave 1 price territory, so it would only work as a diagonal anyway, which again is a pattern you cannot trust. So I would say key support for me, now that we're in the diagonal, would be 53.6 cents. So against that level, another wave up is possible in a diagonal, okay? But if we get a break below that level, then we are heading most likely more directly to the downside. We'll probably test the 50 cent level, but then move down more directly. Yeah, and then after we make that one more low, which would be most likely another, let me see. So this, okay, so if we come down in a C wave, this would be a 5 wave move. So if we get another 5 wave move down, again, wave B might top here or there, then the bear market could be over. So that's at least what we're watching. So I'm not telling you it will definitely turn around. What I'm telling you is we expect lower. We're going to watch here the 46.5 cent level and the 41 cent level for possible reactions. And if we see a reaction somewhere in the green box, and if it's impulsive, then this is a good indication that a lasting low has been established. Yeah, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.